Hi everyone, this is Parul and our today's yoga practice is full body yoga stretch for sore muscles. So let's start right away. Sit comfortably in a cross-legged position. You can always take one leg out if that's more comfortable for you. Sit comfortably, sit long, rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes for a few seconds. Take a moment to just disconnect with everything else and connect with yourself. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your whole body, head to toe. And let's take 3 deep breaths together. Breathing in through your nose, take a deep breath in. And breathe out through your nose. Continue, breathe in. And breathe out. Let's take one more deep breath. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Now letting your eyes be closed, just take neck rolls. So taking your head gently in a clockwise direction. Relaxing your neck. 1, 2, and 3. And let's switch side. 3, 2, and 1. Take your chin to the chest, interlace your fingers, put it at the back of your neck, and just take your elbows in gently, still sitting long, stretching the back of your neck. Breathe. And then you slowly take your head back on your palms, open your elbows, lift your heart, breathe. Stay here. And then you slowly get your head to neutral position, release your hands. You can let your eyes be closed or open it at any point. Take your shoulders close to your ears, breathe in. Breathe out, drop it with a long sigh. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. And then you slowly open your eyes and take your arms back. Interlace your fingers, push your palms down. Lift your heart, take your head back. Breathe in. Breathe out, head to neutral position, come forward. Stretching your arms away from your lower back, taking your forehead closer to the mat or on the mat. Keep stretching your arms away from your lower back. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly make your way up. Breathe in. Breathe out, release. Let's take a side stretch. So resting your right fingertips down on the mat. Take your left arm over your ears, left palm facing down. Breathe. And then you switch side, left fingertips down, right arm over your ears, right palm facing down. Breathe. And then you slowly come back to the center. And let's come on all 4 position from here and let's do a few rounds of cat and cow. So resting your palms down, fingers wide open, wrist underneath your shoulders, knees are underneath your hips, knees are hip width apart. Open your fingers wide. Press into your palms, drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Really good for releasing your spine and your lower back. Breathe. Breathe out, chin to the chest, round your spine, look to your belly button. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. One more. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Slowly get your spine to neutral position. Let's get into puppy pose. So extend your arms forward, lower down your chest. You can be on your chin, you can be on your forehead. Just settle in and stay here. Stay with your breath, releasing your upper body. Releasing all the tension in your upper body. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly get your palms in and come in Cobra Pose. Take your legs back, resting on your belly. Elbows in, press into your palms. Lift your heart, relax your shoulders, down and back. Relax your neck, breathe. Really good for your lower back. You can always create more space in between your legs if that's more comfortable for you. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down your chest, get your right elbow in, bend your left leg. Take your left hand back and hold your left foot with your left hand. Look straight ahead. Get your left foot closer to your hips. Keep lifting your heart up, releasing your quads. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release gently and switch side. Get your left elbow in, press into your left palm. Bend your right leg, take your right arm back, hold your right foot. Lift your chest up, breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly. Come back on your forearms and then you come on your palms. Lift yourself up, coming in another variation of Cobra Pose. Relax your shoulders, breathe. And then you slowly come on all 4 position again and step your right leg forward. Low lunge, releasing your hip flexor. That gets tight every day. So, releasing your left hip flexor, right knee on top of your right ankle. Push your right hip forward on your fingertips. Open your chest, relax your neck. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your arms up, breathe in. Join your palms together, breathe out, and then you gently lean to your right. For a deeper stretch for your left hip flexor, opening your side body, continue to breathe. And then you come back to the center, rest your palms down, and then we will do twisted lizard. So, take the right foot to the edge of your mat, resting your left palm down. Drop your right knee to the right, coming on the outer edge of your right foot, and then you take your right palm and press your right knee down with your right palm. Draw your right shoulder back. So this is to release your tight hips. Keep looking over your right shoulder, keep breathing, and don't sink in your left palm. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently get your right leg back to the center and take your right leg in. Let's switch side. Step your left leg forward, left knee forward, right leg back. Releasing your right hip flexor now, coming on your fingertips. Breathe. And then you slowly take your arms up, lengthen your spine. Breathe in. Breathe out, join your palms together and lean to your left. Deeper stretch for your right hip flexor. Breathe. Opening your side body on the right side. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Palms down. Now take your left foot to the edge of your mat. Twisted lizard. Plant your right palm down. Take your left hand. Come on the outer edge of your left foot. Press your left knee down with your left palm. Look over your left shoulder. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently get your left leg in. Take your left leg in. Okay. And then from here, we're going to go in downward dog. That will help us to stretch our upper body and your lower body, as well as strengthen your upper body. So wrist slightly ahead of your shoulders, open your fingers wide, press into your palms, tuck your toes, knees up, hips up, push your hips up and back, push your chest towards your legs, widen your collarbone, relax your neck, slow down your breath, and find a natural pace to your breath to breathe in and out through your nose. Let your neck relax. Then you press into your left heel, lift your right leg up, bend your right leg, point your right knee up, press your left heel down, breathe. One more breath, breathe in, breathe out. Get your right knee back to the center, breathe in. Breathe out, step your right leg forward, pyramid pose. Right toes pointing out, left foot comes one step in. Straighten your right leg and your left leg. Take your head towards your right shin. Breathe. Rest your palms down or come on your fingertips. Stay here. Resting your abdomen on your right thigh. Take your head towards your right shin. Relax your neck. Breathe. Stay here for one more breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Plant your left palm down. Take your right arm up. Open your body to the right. Reverse triangle pose. Draw your right shoulder back. You can look up and breathe. Stay here. Press your left heel back. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your right arm down. Bend your right leg. Spin your left foot so that your left toes point forward. Right hip forward, left arm up. Breathe. Left shoulder back. Stay here. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left arm down. Right arm outside your right foot. Spin the back foot. Take your right leg back. Go in downward dog. Catch your breath. Now press into your right heel. Lift your left leg up. Bend your left leg. Point your left knee up. Press your right heel down. Breathe. Relax your neck. One more breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left knee back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg forward. Pyramid pose. Left toes pointing out. Right foot one step in. Straighten your leg. Head towards your left shin. Come on your fingertips or on your palms. Rest your abdomen on your left thigh. Relax your neck. Breathe. Stay here for one more breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. From here we transition to reverse triangle. So plant your right palm down. Soften your left leg. Don't hyperextend. Take your left arm up. Draw your left shoulder back. Breathe. Stay here. Don't put all the weight on your right palm. Shoulders are in line. Draw your left shoulder back. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand down. Now take your left foot out, left hand in. Bend your left leg, spin the back foot, point your right toes out. Push your left hip forward, right arm up. Draw your right shoulder back. Breathe. Bending your left leg, left knee on top of your left ankle. Relax your neck. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right arm down. Spin the back foot. Left leg back. Back in downward dog. Catch your breath. And from downward dog, we transition to Malasana. So, Garland Pose. Right leg forward, right toes out. Left leg forward, left toes out. Lower down your hips. Rest your palms either on the mat or you can lift it up, pushing your knees out with your elbows, pressing your palms together. Expand your chest. Stay here. Breathe. Staying here for a few seconds, staying with your breath. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Sit back on your hips. Extend your legs and take your right leg over left leg. Take your left arm up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hug your right leg in with your left arm. Draw your right shoulder back. Press into your right fingertips. Lift your heart. Curl your toes in for your left foot. Look over your right shoulder. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to the center. Let's switch side. Left leg over right leg. Right arm up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hug your left leg in with your right arm. Draw your left shoulder back. Sit straight. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to the center and let's sit in cross-legged position and end this practice with one relaxing breathing practice, pranayama practice, anulom vilom, alternate nostril breathing. So sit straight, take your right thumb, put it on the right side of your nostril, breathe in through your left, close the left, breathe out through your right. Continue, breathe in through your right, breathe out through your left, breathe in left, breathe out right, breathe in right, breathe out left. One more, breathe in left, breathe out right. Slowly release, rest your palms on your knees, sit straight, let your eyes be closed for a few seconds. Observe what you feel now. Observe all the sensation you feel now. Observe how your body and mind is feeling now, especially as compared to when you started this practice today. Building in practice of awareness through yoga, that goes a long way even after your yoga practice. Being aware of yourself. And then on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste. We are done with our practice for today. Thank you so much for joining this yoga practice with me. I hope you enjoyed this session. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite thing from today's session. And do subscribe to my channel. It's completely free and will help you build your yoga practice from the comfort of your home. Thank you. Namaste, and I hope to see you again.